Dun, dun, dun. Okay. I'm gonna get up and go to the beach. I feel like it's a beach day for me. I'm just gonna go. Perfect day. Perfect. Ah! Huh? Huh.
Get away from it!
No.
Why is it so hot?
I will not get away from you. Who are you?
Someone you'll never know.
Are you a mermaid?
No, I just like serving fake stuff.
Good, because actually not good, because now I thought you were a mermaid. I jumped here all soaking wet now from nothing. I'm so heavy.
Take a towel.
No, I was coming here for a day at the beach.
So if you're coming here for a day at the beach, you swimming of cave in the ocean.
It's called the beach. And
Oh,
what's your
sorry.
wait? You look like someone I know. Are you Amelia? Wait, who are you?
My name's Jessica.
Jessica? Jessica, you were my tutor for math last year. Did you not remember that? You're my best friend.
And I don't know math at all. And
Oh, it must have been your twin sister who tutored me, but she's dead now.
yeah, because then I would have been dead. Like, dumb. Yeah, I have to get Yeah, like, I have to get out of here, okay?
Oh, great.
Come on.
It looks so cool.
Get your jump. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can't.
Great. I'm gonna have to rest on a towel now. I'm just gonna take a quick dive.